Hello. Here's the Edison 2-minute record that I have on eBay. The name of the song is Who? Me? And the number is 9680. And I'd like to show you how it works. I think the record is, with some imperfections, is in a good condition. The phonograph sometimes slows down and sometimes it doesn't, so it might play the entire record without a fault. Also, I have some banging noise upstairs that you please ignore. Alright, so now let me turn it on. Let me lower this thing.
By Billy Murray, Edison Records. Sam Jones was almost broke, had all his clothes in soak, and promised his best gal he'd wed one day. So to a place he went, from him a twisted limb. The preacher said, I'll tie you right away. But some boy cried, why I'm his bride, those clothes I bought last year. And if you win, I'll wash your head. Then Sam cried loud and clear. Who? You? Me? Yeah, not me, I'm not the man. You sure have made a big mistake, you don't know who I am. Why, we have never met before. So he shouted out, what's from who? You? Me? Yeah, not the man.
Here's the blemish.
Sam met his friend one day, right near a swell cafe, and said it's time to dine, it's almost 3. Sam told him he was broke. His friend then planned a joke, and said, why, that's all right, you eat with me. The meal was done, he paid for one. Sam said, you pay my way. That's what you said. He had dropped dead when he heard his friend say, who? You. Me? Yeah? Not me, I'm not the man. You sure have made a big mistake, you don't know who I am. Why, we have never met before. So he shouted out once more, who? You. Me? Not me, I'm not the man.
This is all I wanted to show you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on eBay. Bye bye.